Hi there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center out here in Lake Louisville. I want to show you this used 2024 Aviara 40. If you haven't been on an Aviara before, the style lines, you got to come see these boats. They're amazing. Big, tall, deep boat, deep V-hull, really performance-oriented boat, smooth, great ride, and dry ride. But for us, we're buying a boat to be on the lakes around here, to hang out and be in the water. And so when you get anchored out, you got two terraces that you hit a button, they fold down. They got some party chairs here in the back. Sometimes the party's back behind the boat and like, oh, what are these for? Well, you can lay it down flat for a sun lounge. You can kick this up. Now I got 2 rows of seating, hydraulic pedestals, so you can sit wherever you want, wherever's comfortable. Power shade that comes out, so now I'm sitting on the back of the boat. People are swimming, all the fun's back here, and everybody can hang out at the same time. So a great style, great layout. If you want to take it all back traditional, you just lower these down, flip down your backrests. You got a big old sun pad right back here on the back. Really love that feature. This is where we spend a lot of our time in Texas, is right here in the back. Got great storage underneath here. But look at the terraces, they're hanging over the water so kids can run and jump off. It's also all flat, it's all one level from the swim platform up to the bow. So there's no steps or stairs anywhere. Really cool features under this little side wing doors is some storage. Hydraulic swim platform, I got it down right there. There's still a ladder on the boat, but if somebody wants to get up or sit on that, they can. Let's move on into the cockpit here. Really deep boat, safe riding boat. A lot of seating here in the cockpit. It's all in the shade. Nice, huge fiberglass hardtop. They use a Clips stereo system on it, which sounds amazing. They tried to hide all the speakers so you can't see anything, but boy, can you hear it. You want to entertain, I got 2 refrigerators down below. This one we optioned out with 1 Kenyan grill. It's never been used. This is just going to be a storage compartment for your sunglasses, koozies, sunglasses, sunscreen before you go jump in the lake. Also have a pretty nice cool feature here is you're out in the water. You got a TV if you want to have the game on. Saturdays for college and Sundays for the NFL. Also got a sink right here with a little locker to put some bottles down there to keep them chilled. There's drains in both sections, so really cool and convenient. So a lot of storage for coolers. I got a cooler built in a drawer right here, big oversized cooler from Aviara. Another cooler under there, another cooler up in the bow. Great storage under these seats. These seats are also have the option, they're heated seats too. So they got warm seats if you want to go out in the fall. I love boating in the fall in North Texas. Water's still warm, but if you need some heat for the seats, you got it. It also has cockpit vents on it, so it can blow some hot air also, you know, in the cool months. A lot of cup holders everywhere. Everybody's got a place to put their drinks. And also everywhere, if you kind of look around, you're going to see these little slots, and that's for your phone. You drop it in there, it's wireless charging. So there's some in the bow, there's one at the helm, a couple back here, and then you got the regular plug-ins everywhere too to keep them charged up. Really like what they did there. Just makes it convenient for us boaters. I'm going to walk up to the helm. It's more than a double wide. It's triple or almost 4 people could probably sit across here in the back if you really want to make a good ride across the lake. We have the Ilmor 520 horsepower engines in this boat, so this boat will get up and go and perform with the big engines. Don't worry about docking. We got the joystick control docking. This is designed by Ilmor. They thought they could do it better than some other manufacturers, so they have their own system. And then let me tell you, it's smooth, quiet, total control with 2 fingers. It's amazing stuff. On the dash here, they got a nice, all the switches and stereos going to be on one page, right? So stereo information, control all my lights, all the different colors for every zone. Just change it what you want. Pumps and other tank information. So at your fingertips, you have control of everything. Navigation is front and center. Control that all you want. This is all my engine information. They really had a goal keeping this boat clean and streamlined. You saw the outside pictures. The lines of this boat are amazing. Very tall bow sitting off the water. We're not even running yet, and we're tall off the bow, off the water, so that means a nice smooth ride. And then when you get running, the bow lifts up a little more. Your little ones, friends and family up in the bow of the boat, they're safe. You don't have to worry about them. But keeping clean lines on the dash, clean lines on the profile of the boat, they just continue that everywhere around the boat. The driver, sometimes we got to put our drinks down. We have 2 chilled cup holders down here low. They're low, so they're not going to blow out, which is nice. Here's my little pocket. I'm going to drop my phone in there, wirelessly keep that thing charged. Auto trim tabs on it. Auto trim for the drives too, so if you don't want to worry about trimming up and down, the computer can do it for you, and it shows you on the screen everything it's doing. Really cool. Let's walk up to the bow. We're going to save the cabin for a little bit later. So again, one walkthrough, and look how deep it is. Again, tall windshields, side gunnels really high, a nice aluminum closing door, big windshield, close it off so you can keep all the cold air off of you in those October, November boat runs. This, what I really want to show you is how deep this bow is. So when you sit down in here, kind of swallows you up in it. You got great armrest right here, aluminum grab handles, custom aluminum pull-out cleats everywhere. This is kind of like a custom-built day sport boat. Again, they hit all the speakers, aluminum plates here, cup holders everywhere. Like I said, you got some chargers up here, stereo control. There's a table, there's a filler pad. Everything you would want and expect in a boat like this, but everything is clean. They didn't want a bunch of stuff on the deck. Same thing for the windlass. I got a windlass here, and you got a wired control here. You can also do it from the helm. Very clean. They even finished the gel coat on the bottom side of lids. That takes extra step, but for this level of a boat, that's to be expected. It also has a bow shade system, so you got 4 carbon fiber poles, actually 2, and then it goes all the way to the front leading edge of the hardtop, and you're going to clip it in there. So you pretty much have 40 feet of shade on this boat when you're anchored out on a day like today and the sun's out nice and bright. So great bow area. I think you and your family are going to love riding this boat whenever you like wind in your face. It is a great place to hang out. Something else that Aviara does, they put some speakers on the dash. The sound goes up, it hits the glass, and it bounces back. They tried to hide all the speakers, but sound incredible, and nobody can see any speakers, but you can definitely hear it. Let's go take a look at the cabin. So they did more, not a side entry door. I got side access walking up to the bow, so it's nice and safe. But also they did an entry door a little bit offset, more center line of the boat. That's the deepest part of the boat with a deep V, which this is an extremely deep V running surface on it. But also as soon as you step into the boat, you're going down deep, so you're not hitting your head. There's a magnet holding this door, so as soon as I swing the door open, it's not going to close on me as I'm going down, so it's holding the door for me. Now I can easily just walk down a few steps. Boat does have generator air conditioner on it, so whether you're plugged into shore power or out on the hook, you can turn the AC on down here. You got 2 refrigerators outside, electric grill, another refrigerator in here, TV in here that swivels, so somebody come down here and cool off. Great seating. If you do want to sleep, this can fold down, more room there, and there's a filler cushion here. There's also a table, you drop it down, there's a filler cushion here. Make this into another berth. We'll let you take a look around, but the big bed's in the back, you got to see that. Really nice design. I can control my stereo and lights and speakers and stuff all from my controller in here, air conditioner control, change of color lights, and have all the fun stuff in here too. If you have more questions or you want to come see this boat in person, please give me a call. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax out here at the Dallas Yacht Center. We're at Pier 121 Marina on Lake Louisville. I'd love to help you out.